Characteristics of modern large-scale manufacturing. Characteristics of modern large-scale manufacturing are specialization of skills or methods of production, mechanization, technological innovation, organizational structure and stratification. Modern manufacturing is characterized by a complex machine technology, extreme specialization and division of labor for producing more goods with less effort and low cost, large capital, large organization, executive bureaucracy, uneven geographic distribution. Manufacturing industries are established in the areas where the cost of production is minimum. The location of an industry depends on various factors like access to market, access to raw material, access to labor supply, access to sources of energy, access to transportation and communication facility, government policy, access to agglomeration economics or links between industries.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.